Guys, welcome back to my channel, the Coding Geeks. So before we start off with this tutorial, I would like to apologize for being so late in uploading the videos. I've been sick for a few days, so I couldn't record the video properly. So I'm sorry for that. I'll try to be really punctual in uploading videos. So in today's tutorial, we'll be talking about HTML div tag or division tag and HTML span tag. So what is HTML div tag? HTML div tag is also known as a division tag. As you know, it defines a division or a section in an HTML document. For example, like if you use a division tag or div tag with this style, background color, or any other style like font, and we have the paragraph tag or any other tags, so that style is applied to all those paragraph tags or any other uh, tags available within the division tags, so that style is applied to the whole block of code. So that's what the division tag does. So the tags can be text, images, header, footer, navigation bar, etc. So that particular style is applied to all the elements in the uh, within the division tag. So next is a span tag. Span tag is used to group and apply styles to inline elements. So what it does is the span tag applies a particular style to a particular tag, so it is individual, so it doesn't apply a particular style to all the tags, in contrast to what division tag does. So the main difference between the span tag and the division tag does is the div tag applies a particular style or styles to a particular set of elements or tags that are found within the division tags. So span tag, it applies a particular style in a particular tag, or can be a particular part of the tag. So when you have in some text here, you don't want this style color to be applied here, but you want the color to apply to a particular text found here, so it can be done like that. So a particular part of a tag or particular tag, so a style is applied to a particular part of a tag or a particular tag. So that's what span tag does. That's the functionality of a span tag does. The major difference between these two is that the division tag, where the style, a group of style or a particular style, is applied to all the tags found within the division tag, and this span tag applies a style to a particular part of the tag or particular tag. So when you look at the execution of the span tag and the division tag in the visual code, which I'm going to show you how to do it, so you'll understand how these two tag works. So let us understand how these two tag works. So first of all, we have to write the basic tags like HTML head, title. Let's give it div and span tag, close the head and open the body. So now let's start with div tag, div style attribute. So for a simple understanding, we'll keep text color colon and keep as red. Okay, close the double quotes, close the angular bracket, and we'll have the heading. Let's give it h1 coding geeks. Use the h1, and let's have paragraph tag. Welcome to my channel. Close the paragraph and close the div tag. We'll have a picture tag so that you can differentiate between the div tag and the span tag. So we'll have a paragraph tag. So I'll show you how span tag works with two examples. So we'll just keep a paragraph tag and keep as coding again. CodingGeeks, go to the span tag, have the style attribute, equal to double quotes color, have the color so that you can understand how these two tags work. So I have it as blue, close the double quotes and close the tag, and we have that as channel, close the paragraph tag. That close the span tag, and I'm gonna copy this entire line of code again, paste it. So what I'm gonna do is take this entire span style part, paste it in the beginning, and close the body, close HTML, and I'm gonna save it as 8th. .html. So my document has been saved. So it has been completely saved. So let us go to the place where the document has saved. Go to the place, location, and click on the HTML document. So this is the output of my div tag and the span tag. As you can see, the div tag where I mentioned the color style as color, so red, so it has applied to all the tags present within the div tag. So here's the h1 tag which has turned to red, and here's the paragraph tag which has turned to red again. So as you can see, it applies a particular style or a particular group of styles to the tags present within the division tag. And here's the span tag. As you can see, span tag applies what do you say, a particular style to a particular part of a tag or an entire tag. So here I have mentioned the span tag for the style color as blue for this particular text, and I've mentioned the span style attribute color blue for this entire text as blue. So that's the difference between the division tag and span tag. So I hope you understood the basics of uh, how division tag works and how span tags work in this video. I hope I've been clear enough. I hope you like the video, you subscribe the video, you share the video. Please don't forget to hit the notification button so that you don't miss any future updates.